In this video we're going to look at different elements of servicing this Yamaha 3 horsepower Malta 2-stroke outboard. So to check the thermostat on the Malta, Yamaha Malta, we need to remove the fuel tank. We've got two bolts here and there's a bolt in there. These require a 10mm socket. So we undo both of these, which have pre-slackened, and this one, we just set them to one side. And we've got one in there which I've already removed, and we can get the fuel tank out the way. And then we've got another two bolts just here, and that's the thermostat cover. So we'll remove them and we'll be able to expose the thermostat. We'll remove the thermostat, we'll check it in some water, and we've got a new gasket to replace there. So the bolts are out, there and there, and we should take a little mallet, give it a tap, just to try and free off that cover. I think I might need to get a little pry bar under there, just pry it off. So that's the cover off there, just remove that. So the gasket's coming with it. Nice and clean underneath. There's the thermostat inside. Water passages, not too bad at all. Then we just need to try and rock this out. There we go. And there's our thermostat and the water passages inside. So now we've got this out, we'll go ahead and test it. But looking at the condition, I don't think there's going to be an issue with this. We're just checking the rubber as well around it. But we'll get some hot water and we'll give it a test. So just put it in some hot water there, and you can see the piston rising. So what we'll do is we'll take it out, put it in some cold water and watch the piston retract. But at the moment that thermostat is responding to heat. So that thermostat checks out. I've just reinstalled it there. I've got the new gasket to go in there, that just sits in there. Here's the cover goes back on top. Got the two bolts, just make sure they pass through the cover, the gasket, and then into the block. Same with that one. Tighten them back up, reinstall the fuel tank, and that's the thermostat complete. Thanks for watching.